This is the Our Place Dream Cooker, and it replaces a slow cooker, a pressure cooker, and it can even replace a sauté pan. It has a beautifully designed exterior with easy grip handles and a liquid collection area in the back. With the push of just one button, you can pressure cook, slow cook, sear and sauté, or keep your food warm depending on what you're making. The interface on the front of the machine is super easy to use. Just select your cook mode, time, and press start. I like to use this for making roasts because you can brown first and then switch modes without having to change pots. You can have a complete meal on the table in under an hour. And the machine has a hands-free steam release that makes it super simple to use, especially if you're cooking during a busy day. If you want to more quickly release steam, you can use the manual button on the top of the lid. This cook pot is much easier to operate than some other ones that I've used, and it has all the same features. I like how it cooks everything evenly, and the texture comes out tender without a lot of monitoring. And the pot on the interior has a ceramic nonstick coating that is easy to wash with soap and water and a quick dry.